Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be driving all the way up to Indiana. In Indiana, I'll be doing a ton of fishing and other stuff, but it is a long drive, so let's go ahead and go. So finally, after several hours of driving, we finally managed to make it to Indiana, and I even got to get some fishing in before the end of the day. Yup, there's a fish. First fish of the trip is a huge bluegill. You'll see that? Got our bluegill right here. It's a nice fish right there. It's our first fish of the trip. About 3 casts in. See you, bud. My back hurts. Ooh, what the heck? Another bluegill. Look at him. Well, I've learned my lesson. I'm gonna go ahead and grab him. Got the hook out. There's our fish. See ya, pal. So the first bass of the trip, I managed to catch it off camera, but I still caught it, and here's the fish. There's our fish. Alrighty, this is the jig we're using. It's like a little bait fish with a jig tail. It's not swimming. Oh, jeez. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hooks out. Ooh. Yep. Bass. He's quite a bit smaller. Still a fish though. Alrighty, we got the hook out. Oh my goodness. Holy cow. Oh. Oh, that looks like oh, that's a big fish. Look at. Oh my gosh, that's a big fish right there. Oh, got a little tiny bluegill. It's fun. Whee! After a while, the fish stopped biting, and it started to get super stormy and thundering, so I just decided to go in because I didn't feel like getting caught in the rain.